100% positive that Donald Trump and tariffs will not affect you or your bank account this year. And here's the reason why. Donald Trump understands supply and demand. Regardless what any Democrat has told you, tariffs will not increase the price of things. Supply and demand determines the price. So Donald Trump, for example, is going to increase the supply of oil, for example. Okay, he's going to drill more in America. What's that going to do? It's going to increase the supply of oil, and anything that's related to oil, like gasoline, the price of that's going to go down. There might be some things in America that go up in price. Take eggs, for example. I don't know why the Democrats are so obsessed with eggs right now.
Can I ask you something? If tariffs don't raise the price of things, why will the price of some things rise? Are you arguing with yourself? Is this what's happening? Are you familiar with elasticity in supply and demand? Do you have any concept of elasticity? Like, some products are very inelastic. It means we have to have them. We don't have a ton of choice, right? That's how it is with oil and gas. We have to have it. We don't choose. We have to have it. Do you understand how inflation works? Do you understand that inflation impacts companies the same way it impacts people? Do you understand that this whole notion of $50, $55 break-even oil is not a thing anymore because $50 isn't $50 anymore? If $50 isn't $50 to you anymore because it takes you, say, $70 to buy what used to cost $50, do you understand that that also applies to corporations in the United States? That it's not just applying to people? And what that means is that $50 or $55 is not the break-even anymore for oil companies. It's the inflation-adjusted price that is the break-even now. More like 65 or 70. Yeah. See, they spend their money the exact same way you do. Yeah. And if it doesn't have the purchasing power than it used to, then the break-even price doesn't mean what it used to. I have yet to hear any one of you people explain to us how Donald Trump is going to get multinational, multi-billion-dollar corporations to just blow money because Donald Trump wants them to. These companies didn't become billion-dollar multinational corporations by making bad investments and spending billions of dollars to lose money on cheap oil. That's not a thing. Who told you that was a thing? Who told you Donald Trump could just tell an oil company to drill and they will? That's never been a thing. No. Most of the oil companies in the United States have reduced their CapExes for 2025, and they're also going to do it for 2026. You may not know what CapEx is, but it's basically how much money they're going to spend on drilling. Yeah, they've reduced that already before he even took office. After he won, but before he took off. Yeah. And something else that hasn't crossed your mind, what you're saying about tariffs not raising prices is the complete opposite of what Donald Trump himself says. He says it's going to raise prices. He wants it to raise prices so companies will move their manufacturing back into the United States. Shouldn't you at least clear this with the Donald before you come on social media saying things even dumber than what he says? I mean, is anyone arguing that tariffs raise prices? I think everyone agrees on that. It's what happens after that is what they don't agree with. I am 100% certain at this point that those red hats are cutting off the oxygen to your brains. It's got to be. Thanks.